I have hands but I cannot clap. Who am I? Clock. What goes up but never comes down? Age. I have keys but no locks. Who am I? Keyboard. What has a neck but no head? Bottle. What has legs but cannot walk? Table. What runs but never walks? Water. What has one eye but cannot see? Needle. I am always in front of you but you cannot see me. What am I? Future. What has a tail and a head but no body? Coin. What has many teeth but cannot bite? Cone. What can fly without wings? Time. What comes once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? Letter M. What can you catch but not throw? Cold. I go up and down but never move. What am I? Stairs. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment and share with your friends.